going live on Instagram is more so for like, I mean, it could be for every day because there are people that, are crafty and such that are on my page and they follow me for crafts, the DIY portion of doing things because they love doing it and I love doing it too. So that's what they over here for. And even if I don't have like real content as far as like REEL, because it's definitely REAL, but like real, like film, reels content, film reel, REEL. I know these going live, but I know for, extended periods of time, it gets lengthy for Instagram, which is no problem at all because, like I said, I completely understand. But the best way for me to combat that is, like I said, just to go live on YouTube. So yeah, subscribe on YouTube at Curated by KD. Because baby, what are we doing? We're curating the events. Like I said, the Mother's Day event is this Sunday. If you are local to the city, come hang out. Event details are definitely on my page and also in the bio. How about that? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Come on if you don't play with it. You can visit Curated by KD Instagram page, Facebook, whatever. Which is also something funny now that I'm on Instagram Live because this part of Instagram Live content is, pretty Instagrammy. But like I said, I'm just thinking like DIY crafts and stuff like that is definitely suited for this camera over here for YouTube. And then like this camera right here is definitely, for the Instagram content. But um I'm mad I just forgot what I was about to say because I went into that. And it's like on the tip of my tongue too, which is really annoying. Um it's gonna come back to me too because I'm like, it's on the tip of my tongue. It's definitely on the tip of my tongue. Like it's on my mind, which is crazy. I'm really mad that I forgot. I like definitely just do a blank because I was talking about how whatever I was about to talk about was definitely suitable for Instagram. I can't believe I'm drawing a blank right now. Oh, okay. So, yeah. So, when I searched Curated by KD on Google yesterday, and I just did it as, Curated by KD, as in, yeah, baby, let's. Well, I need to watch her at the bottom, but put me right here. Yeah! How about that? How about that? Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, because, baby, check me out on the Instagram. So, yeah, these are like the prior lives that I've done. We got some videos. We got a whole bunch of videos. As you can see, we got, over 100 videos. We almost got 150 videos. We really do. We got some, like, in the drafts. They just need to come on out. We got 360 videos. Yeah, we got all of that. So, yeah, I went on Google and I typed in Curated by KD as it is right here as the handle, the traditional way of typing. And candidly put, I did not come up. Baby, it was just like created by KD. And it was stuff that was just not me. Like, it was something that was totally different. So I was just like, okay, that blows. Because even my website is www.curatedbykd.com. So it's just like, that I was I was like taken aback by that one. So I was like, you know what? Let me just try it this way. The with the at symbol, the CUR at symbol, you know, TED by KD came up on every platform that I'm on. I mean, like my website came up, YouTube came up, Instagram came up. I was just like, so the brand is branding.